This is Josh from Wohler Equipment. Today we're taking a look at a new Deutz Fahr 6135 power shift. This tractor is equipped with the Stoll FZ 3923 loader. So you can see great big flotation tires, 3 sets of rear hydraulics, besides power beyond and free return, 540 and 1000 RPM PTO. Nice big stack of rear counterweights there on the axle. This front axle is suspended, so you get that nice ride whether you're going down a bumpy road or across a bumpy field. It also allows you to have the higher speed transmission, the Euro style quick attach, global quick attach on the loader. We do have a quick disconnect for the hydraulics. This loader is really quick on and off. Here we are in the cab of a new Deutz Fahr 6135 power shift. The way this power shift transmission works is we have our shift lever here. You bump it forward to go up a gear, pull it backward to drop down a gear. This has 20 forward, 20 reverse. This is a CVT transmission that has programmed steps. This will be the smoothest power shift transmission on the market just because it is not actually shifting clutch packs. We are actually just going from one shift point or speed point to another with a CVT transmission. We have our hydraulic operations here, joystick for the loader, our 3-point hitch, engine controls, PTO, transmission controls, double displacement steering. This does have a suspension front axle, so we do have the high-speed transmission in this as well.